Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about options in command line application. So basically this function, and here functions, utility functions for the printing usage. Here with the output, how to use the program, and here long options should be defined when we use getopt long. We need to have long options and short options. So here are defined the structure option for the long options from this header. Here example function for writing text files. For the output option, I'll show you in a sec. Here just example writing to a text file some numbers, local time when it's written, and for the each numbers and example calculations when is written the specified calculation. And just closing the file. The more important part is benefits of the usage of getopt long. I'll put a link in the description. It's just storing next option. From the returning of this function, we get what is written in the console, in the terminal by the user, and just reading from the short options and long options. And if there is an argument like here for the long options, store it in a variable, and some other indices of the arguments, the argument itself, and what to happen when specified option is used. So here you can write your functions and to use for whatever purposes you want. So it's pretty convenient. Until next option is -1, so the list is over. And here if the verbose is 1, so here is defined 1 if the option V is used. Just print the arguments after the V option, because here is used this index, and until the end of the arguments in the terminal, not the index of the argument for the specified option, just printing the count of the arguments after V. So let's see the result. I'll start with the help. So here just printing the usage. So this one, print the usage. So basically when I write H over here, H, it just go to this case and call this function. So let's try with some output files to write to output files. Option, and then the argument for this option. Second file. You can have as many arguments and options as you like. And here it's just calling from this case this function, option argument, option index. Is it done writing? And just output and everything over here. So the name of the option argument, this one, the index, so 1 till 3, the index is 3, done writing. So the next one, 4, 5, option index 5, the name of the argument output txt. So let's see the files. And here just example the files from 1 to 10, and once again just the same output. So here let's try the option. I just use the longer option instead of the short one. The count of arguments after the option is 8. Oh, it's pretty convenient and very easy to use to make CLI options and programs by using opt long. There is a shorter version. For more information in the description below. If you have some questions, please let me know in the comments below. Any feedback is welcomed. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye bye.